Okay, this is the last day of the adventures. Everyone here in the Missouri and the US. We're at the World Bird Sanctuary. It's a conservation site. They have all these different species of birds, mostly raptors. It's a large property. Look at all the... It just continues down this road. Yeah, birds, yeah. Traffic.
This sanctuary opens 2001 and
Alamat ng Maria Makin. Oh, it's
Natulog niya.
Kanti camera yung mga camera trick.
There's a famous Alberta-sized raven.
Yeah, that's what they look like.
The trash. Yeah. That and the albatross, which is it's also a huge seagull.
It's the size of a cat.
Oh, this one is a different one. That's a white one.
Yeah, no, they're very, that's why they.
This is
by your
No, they
Okay,
do.
there's another type of raven.
Uh,
There it is. White native raven. Hi.
Crow.
The crow. Yeah.
Oh, never mind. I'm not screaming. Yeah, I know. I'm not screaming at you.
There it is. Peregrine. Which one is your favorite so far? Oh my. The eagle owl.
What's that? Yeah, get Eurasian. Big one siya. Yeah.
These are the ones that are in our backyard. You could hear them. This is the one that goes, "Who cooks for you? Who cooks for you?" Whoa! Like that. Yeah.
Male. It's a male. Blaze and
No, make injuries. Yeah. So that's why it's a rehab.
Blaze. Tinikip na tayo yung tayo sa pinay. Hook. Talo na dali.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah. bald eagle enclosure. And you could even walk inside it on this side.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Huh?
There's one there.
3,
There's also
4.
one over there.
Saan yung isa?
One in the corner.
5. Ah, 5. So, are you American?
There it is.
They were making noise earlier.
Mm-hmm. 3 over there, and then there's one over there.
Shoulder in the right wing. It's mostly right wing injury.
So they're being trapped or shot down.
Doon sila naliligo, oh.
Makarni. Ni, daddy.
Oh. Singaran to malayan karon. Singaran mo din. Didi man ay supada sa among sanda.
You see them, Lolo? Lola? Did you get a picture, Lola?
Di man alagin.
America. We have fully achieved America. Wow. Majestic. Alright, this is something entirely new. I don't remember this being here, but there's an emu like a few feet away from me right now. There it is. Giant. Such a beautiful giant bird. It's trying to eat something right now. Look, I never imagined the ostrich is still bigger than it.
Hi, hi. Hi, hi. Hi, hi.
I don't know these. I know the cassowaries.
She's listening. Hi, hi. Hi.
Condor. From that one Johnny Quest episode. Yeah, Indian condor. The Californian ones do too.
What is this?
Yeah, the emus have a low booming sound. This is the condor.
Condor.
No,
This is the one that.
no, this isn't a Pokemon that it calls its own.
Isn't this the one that?
That made it like formed itself.
Silver pheasant. This is the type of pheasant that has the 15 subspecies, and they're all different colorations and different areas of their range. Silver pheasant.
Oh, I like that one. Silver pheasant.
It's on the corner here. Edwards pheasant, right here. Right there. There's the male. There's Tito Ed. This is a new one, a buzzard. It's the auger buzzard. Hi. Vulture. Hi.
Lumpy and
Yeah. There's another one up there. Look at that. Whoa.
I'm sorry, I got scared.
Black vulture. Hi. Hi. Hi, turkey vulture. Hi.
Tila. Oh,
Maybe it's heating itself up. Yeah. I think it's heating itself up.
mga ato. Mosquito. Where is one?
Turkey vulture.
Oh.
This is a deck that you could use to look over the forest.
Priya, you can't bring your horse. Did you see that?
You shall not pass.
Oh, there's one over there. The brown one.
Oh yeah.
What's that?
Oh whoa. Red-tailed hawk.
Is this the one?